Ronnie. And excuse my hair, it's wash day, and you guys know how that goes, especially you natural girls. So I have a really quick DIY today. I guess you can say it's 99-cent store inspired, because I got this super cute sequence mermaid pillow from my local 99-cent store. I don't know if where you are has a 99-cent store that sells things that are not 99 cents. At my 99-cent store here in California, it is $3.99 for these cute little pillows. And I just really like this pink color that it had, and I decided that I need to do something with these. Okay, now as you can see, these are Fenty, and they are old. I think I got them when they first came out, and since then my ties have unraveled, and these are like super satin, so I mean, I've wore them out and they are like ugh. So I don't even wear them anymore outside of the house, because I'm like, I don't want anyone seeing me wear these, right? But I thought these would go super cute together. So I am planning on taking this front part of the pillow and cutting the ribbon off and just making this a normal slide, but with the mermaid. Oh, I'm so excited. So all I'm gonna use is the pillow, of course, the shoes, of course, and my trusty pink scissors and trusty E6000 glue. This is clear, and that's it. You can get this for about $4 at Michael's or Walmart. And oh, it's a bug. Whew. Okay, and I'm gonna get started. You could be awesome and actually sew this in here. You could sew it on here by flipping it out and then sewing on the inside, and then sewing using the leftover fabric that is still on the shoe on the side. But this is lazy over here, so like I said, I will be using my E6000. shoe is looking like right now. I ended up putting the tape on it because if you've ever worked with E6000, then you know that it can get very slippery at times, especially using different different textures and stuff like that. And since this is silk, it's really slippery. So this is what it's looking like. It looks pretty cool, obviously without the tape, but I'm just holding it down with that so it cannot be slippery. And then I'm gonna work on the other shoe and then I'll come back. Okay, so y'all, I am done. And I had to put my good light on so you can see these. I'm just making my foot look really crazy. But oh my gosh, guys, like look at that. Excuse my toes. Y'all, really? I am definitely going to get some more slides and some more pillows. Excuse me, I think I'm getting sick. But I am going to get some more slides and more pillows and make my own sequins slides because, oh my gosh, like look at that. I am so in love with these. Like, I have to try not to wear them like every day. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So these are the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.